and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about, you can tell it's literally the star of the show, how I got these big and luscious curls. And honestly, it was super easy, super easy to do. The curling iron that I've been using to get these curls, let me get it, give me 1 second, would be from Conair. Had this wand for a really long time, and basically it's this red one, has a black where you can touch it, the silver bar which is where you wrap your hair around, and it has awesome settings. So basically it goes from 310 to 400 degrees, and honestly I typically put it until 330 or 310. It has a minus and a plus button so that you can choose the setting that you would like, and then the power button right here. I've honestly had this curling iron since like high school, and that's like 6 years ago, 7 years ago, so you can figure out my age like that. Well, I'm just kidding guys, I'm 25. But yeah, I've been using this curling iron forever, and it heats up super fast. So if you have this curling iron, you know what I mean. Like, you plug it in and like in 10 seconds this is steaming. So yeah, this is the curling iron that I've used. I typically, you know, curl my hair a lot of different ways. Sorry if you hear a little bit of noise. But yeah, I use a lot of different things to curl my hair. I use a straightener, I use a regular curling iron, I use this. If I want like a more like a loose type of curl, then I use my straightener. So if you guys want to see that, please let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling so you guys can take a look at the video. But before I put on the tutorial, if you are not subscribed, please remember to subscribe. That would just make my day, and will make me really happy, and join the family, you know, and help a girl out. But for all of you guys that have subscribed, I really do appreciate it. And oh my god, it makes me super happy. I can't even say it. But yeah, let's get on with the video, and I hope you like these curls, and I hope you can achieve them. Let me know if you do. All right, so I'm gonna shut up and let's get on with the tutorial. Curling my hair. Basically, this is what I look like. I look a little bit like Shirley Temple, but I think this is so adorable. Don't you guys think? Obviously, this is not the end look. So what I like to do is let the curls warm up a little bit, and warm up, I mean cool off a little bit, because if they are still hot and you go on and put your hands through them, then you know it's kind of gonna lose its style, and it's literally gonna turn your hair straight again. So what I'm gonna do is just wait for a little bit, literally like 2 seconds while I speak with you guys. And yeah, so you guys noticed in the beginning of the video I mentioned that with the wand I put it behind the hair and then I roll around, and that's exactly what I did. This hairstyle literally took me, like, I'm looking at it right now on my camera phone, 14 minutes. So it's not time consuming at all, and this is like obviously a different type of curl. You know, you can use a regular curling iron to do your hair. You can use a straightener, in which I also do really beautiful like soft curls with the straightener, which is my ultimate favorite. So if you guys want to see that, please let me know. that also takes me like, I would say it takes me a little bit longer. I say like 15 minutes or so, 20. So okay, now that I'm speaking with you guys, this is the end result with the wand. Now what I like to do is kind of run my hands through it so that, you know, it's not so Shirley Temple like I mentioned. What I like to do a lot of the time is just runs my hands through it. I sometimes divide the curls, and honestly, this is such a beautiful hairstyle. I'm showing you guys such beautiful curls, and oh my god, this is literally like, lie to you not, my hair feels so soft because I washed it. And this hairstyle, it typically lasts me, I'd say about like 4 days, like 3 to 4 days without you know, until it starts getting oily. So yeah, I think this hairstyle is really cute. Like obviously you can design it and like form it the way that you want. Most of the times I would leave it like this, or I would even add some earrings like this. And obviously these earrings don't match the top that I'm wearing, but just for the sake of the video, this hairstyle looks really cute with earrings like this. You can even do like an Ariana Grande type hairstyle with this with these type of curls. What I like to typically do if I'm going to be doing half up, half down, just grab the end of your eyebrows and grab hair up here, and you can literally style it just how you want, and this will look super cute. Like, are you kidding me? You can go like this, just so that your hair gets even more volumized. Like, look at that. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Forget to like, comment, you know, comment what you think. Let me know if you've tried the curling iron before and if you like it. I know this curling iron has been out for like a while. So yeah, and I'll see you in my next video.